Introducing the Lorex 1080p Wi-Fi Video Doorbell. No monthly fees, local storage, ultra-wide 160-degree field of view, IR night vision, motion notifications, and much more. This video will show you how to install and set up your doorbell. Your Lorex Video Doorbell is equipped with all the essentials for your install, which include an HD video doorbell and mounting bracket, screwdriver, chime kit and cables, 4 mounting screws and anchors, 3 door frame screws, 2 power port screws, 3 wire caps, and 2 power cable connectors. A memory card may be included. See your packaging or product label for details. Your doorbell has motion sensors located at the top. Below is the camera's lens, then the night vision LEDs, the speaker, a call button, and lastly, the microphone. The back of the doorbell has the microSD memory card slot, the reset button, and power ports. Step 1. Before you start. Before beginning setup, there are some essential preparations to make. Turn off the power running to your existing doorbell and chime box from your home circuit breaker. Test that power has been disconnected for both the existing doorbell and chime box by pressing the doorbell button. There should be no chime sound at this time. Remove your existing doorbell and disconnect the wiring. Bend the power cables so they do not fall through the hole in the wall. Step 2. Secure the mounting bracket. Next, use the mounting bracket to mark the holes for the screws. Use the mounting accessories specified depending on your mounting location. For brick, stucco, or siding, use a 15/64-inch drill bit to drill holes where marked. For installing on a metal door frame, use a 3/32-inch drill bit. Use the included mounting screws and plastic anchors to secure the mounting bracket to the wall. Ensure the power cables from the wall fit comfortably through the hole in the mounting bracket. Step 3. Scan the doorbell. Download and install the free Lorex Home app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Launch the Lorex Home app and tap Sign Up. Then follow the on-screen prompts to create an account. Record your account details and store them in a secure location. Scan the QR code on the back of the doorbell using your mobile device's camera. It's also recommended to take note of your device ID during this time. We will continue the onboarding process when the doorbell is fully installed and powered on. Step 4. Wiring the doorbell. Loop the power cables around the power ports of the doorbell. Use the 2 included screws to secure the power cables. If the power cables in the wall are not long enough, use the optional power cable connectors and wire caps. Ensure there is enough space to fit the cable connectors and wire caps into the hole in your wall or door frame. Push the wiring through the hole in the wall or door frame. Slide the doorbell down so the plastic tab on the doorbell locks in the notch on the mounting bracket. Insert the included security screw through the mounting bracket and into the screw hole on the bottom of the doorbell. Fasten tightly using the star-shaped end of the included screwdriver to complete the installation. Step 5. Wiring the chime. You must determine the type of doorbell chime you have in your home. Here's an easy way to tell the difference. If you hear a classic, then you probably have a mechanical doorbell with spring-loaded levers and a physical metal chime. If your doorbell sounds more like a melody, then you have an electric chime box. The setup process is the same. The only difference is that the wiring for your mechanical chime has to stay clear of the metal chimes or any of the moving components inside the chime box. Remove the cover panel of your doorbell chime box. Loosen the screws labeled front and trans. Do not remove the screws, and be sure to detach any connected wiring. Connect the wiring from the chime kit to the front and trans connectors in the chime box. Ensure that the existing wiring stays connected as well. Mount the chime kit to the inside of your chime box along the cover plate using the included double-sided tape. Ensure the chime kit and wires are not touching the chimes or any of the moving components inside the chime box, or the doorbell chime will not sound correctly. Optionally, you can also use some duct tape to ensure the wires don't touch any of the moving components. You can optionally mount the chime kit on the outside of your chime box using the same double-sided tape if desired. Reconnect power to the doorbell and chime at the breaker. Step 6. Linking chime and doorbell. Launch the Lorex Home app and ensure the device has been identified. If not, manually enter your device ID and follow the prompts. Once the status LED on the doorbell is pulsing blue, the app will connect your mobile device to the doorbell's hotspot. Create a secure password for the doorbell. Record your doorbell password and store in a secure location. Select your Wi-Fi network from the list, then enter the Wi-Fi password for your Wi-Fi network to connect your doorbell to the internet. Once the status LED on the doorbell is solid blue, tap Next to add the doorbell to your Lorex Home account. Set a name for the doorbell and configure date and time preferences. Then tap Complete. Tap Link Third-Party Chime. Select electronic chime or mechanical chime based on the type of chime in your home. You've now successfully installed your Lorex Video Doorbell. Thanks for watching.